everyone. I thought I would just pop on and say hi. I know you haven't seen my face in a while. I've been trying to keep up with grading and all of that. So we're entering our last module. I want to congratulate you on making it through the bulk of this semester. I know it's a lot of work and it's a lot of like online stuff. So as we go into this last module, it is the research paper and finals. We have a little kind of introduction, right, which of course just kind of mentions like what this module is going to be about, right? If we look at what else we're doing, part of what we're doing through this module is you guys are going to be kind of going through the library database and figuring out how to do research, right? So for this last essay, you have to use the library. So I have links here to the library database and to creating a My Library account so that you guys can do this all from home, right? I also have information about how to get good articles, right? Here is our prompt. Your proposal is due by Monday, kind of saying what you're going to be writing about, right? It's worth 10 points. Move this box here. Following that, you guys are going to be doing an annotated bibliography, right? So please make sure you watch that presentation to kind of know what you need to do for that. The information for that is here. Sorry, I don't have a Turnitin account, for I am your teacher. So we're also going to be doing a peer review. Hopefully that goes better than the last one. I think Canvas just kind of was down and it messed up all the peer reviews. And then you guys are going to take your final exam and turn in that research paper. So the bulk of the rest of this kind of month is going to be working on that research paper and getting ready for finals. And the final exam is going to be cumulative. And so you're going to want to make sure that you're kind of going to study up for that. Anyway, please let me know if you guys have any questions. I really appreciate all of those who have been kind of in touch during the semester and kind of check in and say, hey, what about this? What about that? It's really helpful for me to better communicate to everyone else in general. Anyway, let me know if you need anything, and yeah, I'll talk to you soon.